Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and use macros in Excel with a simple step-by-step guide. I'll be using a sample data table so you can follow along and practice too. First, let's quickly understand what a macro is. A macro is basically a recorded set of actions in Excel, instead of repeating the same steps again and again. You can record them once and then run them automatically with a single click. This saves time and reduces mistakes. Now, let's start. On your Excel ribbon, go to the View tab and look for the Macros group. If you don't see it, you may need to enable the Developer tab, but for now, View will work fine. Click on Record Macro. A small box will appear asking you to give your macro a name. I'll call mine Format Table. For the shortcut key, I'll leave it blank, but you can assign one if you want. Make sure the macro is stored in this workbook so it only applies here. Then click OK, and Excel will start recording. From now on, every action I do will be part of the macro. Let's make some quick formatting changes. First, select the header row, name, department, and sales. Make them bold and maybe fill them with a light gray background. After that, I'll double-click between the columns to auto-fit the width. Finally, let's highlight the sales column by selecting it and changing the font color to blue. Once you've done all that, go back to View, Macros, and choose Stop Recording. That's it, your macro has been saved. Now let's test it. I'll clear the formatting from this table so it looks plain again. Then I'll go to View Macros, select my macro called Format Table, and click Run. Watch what happens. Excel instantly reapplies all the formatting steps we recorded. Pretty cool, right? Macros can do much more, from inserting rows, performing calculations, to automating entire workflows. But this simple example gives you the foundation. And that's how you create and use macros in Excel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.